Tips for providing a deep cleaning to your makeup kit. Makeup bag turns into a type of piling, with multiple tins and bags filled futilely with lipsticks, eyeshadows, and related items. If you were to take everything out of your cosmetic bag, how many products would be expired or be totally out of style with present trends? Here are few ideas to help you offer your makeup bag from popular cosmetic bag manufacturer USA the summer cleaning it deserves. Bring everything out of the bag. If we tell it all, we mean all. Bring together all of the makeup from any possible location. Check your suitcases, bathrooms, nightstands, purses, and everywhere else you carry your precious belongings. This step may be a little untidy, so you might want to set up a towel to place your cosmetics on. Categorize items into groups. Through making individual stacks for your brushes, liners, glosses, powder, eyeshadows, foundations, and lipsticks, you can go through and make choices on what you want to save versus what's going to end up in the garbage. When you have multiples of a particular object, but just one that you use daily, it may be a smart idea to throw away extras. Do you need that ultra makeup eyeshadow in every possible shade? Throw out outdated or faulty cosmetics. Makeup that has expired not only performs less effectively but can also harm the skin. Throughout time, the quality of the formulation shifts, and the active ingredients have been affected. It may contribute to irritation of the eye, redness, rash, blisters, and swelling. The expired makeup will harbor bacteria. This is true as well for brushes that have been left to lie around with cosmetics on them. Clean the containers and cosmetic bags. After you've cleaned out of your cosmetics, you often still find a lot of mascara accumulation and other dubious traces. Gross, isn't it? With time, the lipstick streaks, the polish, the brush bristles, the makeup, and the foundation undoubtedly leave their mark. Give your cosmetic bags a thorough wash with water and soap, and just let the air dry. Now you've got a new slate to continue adding cosmetics back on. Business owners, if you are planning on adding a new range of cosmetic bags to your store that is convenient for your customers and easy to clean, then source your products from the very best bag manufacturer USA in the industry at an amazingly affordable wholesale rate.